a pond. One foot is attached. Wow, that really sucks. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Look at it. It's actually so good. I am gonna paint it in my next video. Okay, so it's pretty dry. I put it out in the sun because it's very warm actually today, and it dried like so incredibly fast. Only the bottom isn't completely dry yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it. I thought for this part it'd be a bit more fun if you could actually see what I'm doing up close, so I just put the camera over here. I am gonna try and do it the same as the pictures. I'm gonna start with blue. This is a very pretty blue. I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna mix them actually. And I want a little bit of white. Such a pretty blue. Hopefully it's enough because that was kind of an interesting combination. I'm so curious how this part's gonna go because I'm not particularly great at painting. This is gonna be interesting. We'll see how it's gonna go. The first layer I can just paint over everything. It doesn't really matter because I'm gonna go over the other parts anyway. I'm so curious to see how it's gonna turn out. I have no clue. Like, I could make it so incredibly cute with painting it, or I could just completely mess it up. It's either one or the other. There's no in between. The person in the TikTok, they made the edge pink, but I think that looks really good. Plus I love pink, so I think I'm gonna do that as well. I'm trying to cover up the brush strokes, but that's really hard. But it also looks kind of fun, like it's actually water that's moving in some way. Does that make sense? I don't know. Okay, no, I didn't do a very neat job, but that's fine, totally fine. We're gonna paint over it. I think I'm gonna do the yellow of the duck right now. Don't have a lot of this anymore, but it is a very pretty yellow. Let's just go for it. The little arm thingies, they will also be yellow, but the feet and the beak will be orange. I'm so concentrated right now, so I'm sorry that I'm not saying a lot. It's so messy. It's fine, it's totally fine. The arms actually turned out pretty well, not gonna lie. They could have looked a lot worse. I can barely see what I'm doing. So far, it looks okay. I think I'm gonna go do the edge right now. Gonna make that pink. Ooh, that's a lot of white. I think this is enough paint. Pretty pink. Such a pastel pink. I'm just gonna do the outside first. Then I can move to the inside better and more carefully. So far, it looks good. So the outside is done now. I actually have to do the inside. Let's see how well I can do that. This is all blue. I think I'm gonna have to go over this twice. I'm gonna wait until the blue is a bit more dry. I actually think I want to go back in with the blue just so it has a bit of a thicker layer. I also notice there's just a little bit of white left here and there, but we can fix it. This looks way better. No! There's blue in the ducky. Honestly, the water looks a lot better now. Should I also do a second layer on the ducky? Yellow actually already looks good, but I'm gonna have to go over the blue anyway, so it can do no harm. I did not do a very good job. It's fine. Let's make the orange. Just some white. That's very light. Oh my god, I have so much paint right now. And I barely need any orange. I'm doing a very good job at wasting paint. Okay, good enough. Good enough. This is definitely gonna need 2 layers. Okay, I'm gonna have to concentrate for this. I don't know if you can see. There's just a tiny bit of paint right there. It's going okay, it's not going very bad. Now it's starting to look like a duck. It looks so cute. And we can also paint cute little things in the water. She did a really good job with that. I don't know if I can make it like that, but I can still kind of try. She kind of like painted around the objects. It's just the tiniest shade darker, but it's so not noticeable. I think when it's dry, you will barely see it, but okay. I think you can see it a little bit though. Okay, let's get some white and kind of paint like the white stripes. Looks awful, but okay. I mean, if it really looks that bad, I can always just go over it. I really should do this more often. It's so fun. Like, I keep forgetting to talk to you. So sorry about that. Oh, that's a very subtle one. It's kind of hard to show you. It's so cute. Okay, let's see if I can get some of the dark blue. She also has like some dark circles. It definitely adds something to it. It does make it look more dynamic. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good so far. Let's go back to the ducky. Kind of fix the last few things, hopefully. Oh, that's still a little wet. Let's do these, the lily pads, I think. So let's make a green. Way too much. Again, as usual. I don't know why I do that. That's a pretty green, is it not? Let's hope I don't spill onto the blue. Concentration again, I'm sorry. I'm just such a perfectionist. So far, I didn't spill. Now the other one. Oh, I haven't spilled yet. I have no clue. Maybe I'm actually getting good at it. Who knows? Okay, not bad. It looks so cute. I think this one's a bit more dry, so I'm gonna go over it right away, because why not? I'm lucky that it dries so fast. Makes it all a bit easier. No, I spilled. Of course I did. How could I not? It would be too good to be true. I'm gonna go over the orange a little bit more because I see some yellow in there. So let's do that. And try and not spill again. It looks so good. It's really coming together. I love it. I did expect it to look worse, so I might actually be better at this than I had in mind or something. I'm gonna go back in with the pink and also the inside of the edge. Why do I have so much paint of everything and then the pink I barely have enough? How did I manage to do that? I don't know. Okay, my battery died, but we're back. This is actually pretty hard. It's also pretty messy. We can always go over it with the blue again, but I'm gonna have to go back in with the pink again because one layer isn't enough. How am I gonna do this with the duck? The duck is kind of in the way. How? Not terrible. It's a little rough. That's fine, we can fix it. Let's move on to like the rope and the wood. So I think I'm gonna get a brown, do this one, and then make it lighter and make that one. Okay, that's plenty. This is very dark, but I'm okay with it. Let's try and not get a lot on the rope. I'm getting the hang of it. Why does this look like chocolate though? Okay, now let's make it a little bit lighter. Pretty color, right, for the rope? Let's see how well this is gonna go. Oh my god. Oh no. I got some on the wood. That's not what I wanted to do. It's really coming together though. Like, I still have to paint this and the ducky still needs like eyes and everything, but still, it's really coming together like this. Let's go back to the lily pads and like give it a little bit more dimension. Look at that. It's subtle, but it's cute. I don't even know how I did that. Now I'm gonna do it again. Oh, but now that it's drying, you can barely see it. Oh, that is a shame. That's not really what I wanted to do. Not exactly what I had in mind. So I'm just gonna even it out, pretend that didn't happen. Let's go back to pink. I don't have a lot of pink anymore. Okay, you can still kind of see a little bit of blue through the edges, but I'm okay with it. I'm fine with it. I'm not gonna worry too much about it, so. Let's go over the dark wood again. There we go. Now, something also very important is, of course, this. I keep forgetting the name. I don't remember the name. In the TikTok, she painted it white and red. So I think I'm gonna stick with that. Let's just start. I don't know where to start. Like, I don't know how big they should be. I'm just gonna go in with the white and later I'm gonna go over with the red. Just a feeling. Pretty terrible, actually. I'm sorry that I can't show you this part, but I really have to see this from the front. This is terrible. I'm gonna have to go in with the red soon. But first, let's do the eyes and the cheeks. Yes, it's time for that. I'm scared. The ducky has eyes. In the TikTok, they also painted like pink cheeks, and I think that looks so cute, so I'm gonna do that too. Look at the cute ducky. It's so cute. My last battery is dying, so that is really fantastic. I only have to do the little thing that it's sitting in, so I'm gonna do that off camera because it's taking very long. So you will see the end result right now. You ready for the final result? Ta-da! Isn't it so adorable? Oh my god. This actually turned out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I was actually kind of scared that the white wouldn't completely cover the blue and everything, but it does. Also, I think the lily pads turned out pretty great too. So yeah, this is the end result. I love it so much. It's so adorable. So anyway, that was the painting part of this little project. I thought it was so incredibly fun. I challenge you to make the same little tray. I'm curious how yours will turn out. Please send me your picture if you do. I'm so curious. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye!